Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix RTC connecting on Discord. So basically, this error usually occurs when joining voice call or simply using Discord app because of network or audio settings and related problem with Discord. Now to fix this problem, the first step is check Discord server status. You can go to discordstatus.com and here you can check if all are operational. And you can see here if the Discord has or having some issues. So you just need to wait for a few minutes until the Discord support team fix some problem on Discord. Now the second way to fix this one is open your Discord app. So let's go open your app and then go to user settings right here at the bottom left. So click on this gear icon. Now go to voice and video right here at the bottom. So click on this one and make sure here that your voice settings is set to correct device. And then what you're going to do, just need to scroll down to the bottom and we just need to find here the reset voice settings button. So right here, so click on this reset voice settings to fix the problem on your Discord. Now, if the problem persists, let's go on the third step, which is going to your task manager. So go to the search bar and type task manager and open this application. And now here, just need to find the Discord under the processes window. So right there, so right click and then you just have to click on the add task button. So once you click on that end task button, as you can see, so it will close the Discord application. Now before opening the Discord, make sure to disable all your VPNs or proxy server. Or you can check your internet speed to see if you have reliable internet connection and simply restart your router or modem. Now let's go on the fourth step right here, which is go to CMD. And from here, you just need to type the command from ipconfig space /flush DNS. So just need to type this command prompt right here and then just need to enter and it should be fixed the issue or problem on your Discord. And that's it. That's how you basically fix RTC connecting on Discord. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.